Planning a move in Oklahoma, whether it's Oklahoma City, Tulsa, or another city, can feel overwhelming. From packing to transporting your belongings, a smooth move requires careful planning. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about moving in Oklahoma, including costs, timing, planning tips, and ways to make your move stress-free. Local moves in Oklahoma usually range from $400 to $950, depending on the size of your home or apartment and the services you need. Long-distance moves within the state or beyond are often calculated per mile, typically between 75 cents and $1.25 per mile, depending on distance and labor. Additional services such as packing, storage, or insurance will affect the overall cost, so plan ahead. Choose movers who are fully licensed and insured to ensure your belongings are protected. Experienced movers handle fragile and heavy items safely and efficiently. Booking with trusted movers gives you peace of mind without requiring a large upfront deposit. Take an inventory of all your belongings to help plan the move and estimate costs accurately. Disassemble bulky furniture before moving day to make navigating hallways and doorways easier. If your new home isn't ready, consider using temporary storage to keep your belongings safe. Choose secure storage options, and if you have sensitive items like electronics or antiques, look for climate-controlled units. Coordinate storage delivery and pickup times to ensure smooth logistics. Declutter before moving. Fewer items mean lower costs. Pack small or lightweight items yourself and leave the heavy or delicate ones to the movers. If this video helped you, subscribe and comment below with your moving questions or experiences.